Ever pondered the magic behind your favorite video game, that clever mobile app, or even the website you're browsing right now? It's all the product of coding, a skill that's increasingly becoming a cornerstone of our digital age. Let's start with the basics. At its core, coding involves writing a series of instructions that tell a computer what to do. These instructions can be incredibly diverse, covering everything from simple arithmetic calculations to complex operations like running a web server. These instructions are written in what we call programming languages. Just like human languages, each programming language has its own syntax and rules. Some of the most popular ones include Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript. One of the fundamental aspects of coding is creating algorithms. These are step-by-step procedures or methods for solving specific problems. They can be as simple as sorting a list of numbers or as complex as finding the shortest path in a network. But coding isn't just about writing instructions or creating algorithms. It's also about problem solving. Coders break down complex tasks or problems into smaller, more manageable steps, and then write code to solve them. Yet, there's also a creative side to coding. It's not all logic and algorithms. Coders can use their skills to create interactive websites, video games, mobile apps, and more. The possibilities are nearly endless, limited only by one's imagination. Another key aspect of coding is automation. Code can make computers and software perform repetitive or complex operations more efficiently and accurately. This frees up humans to focus on more important or creative tasks. The coding process itself is a cycle that includes writing code, testing it, debugging, that is, fixing errors, and optimizing the code for better performance. And let's not forget about the career opportunities. In our increasingly digital world, coding skills are in high demand. Programmers and software developers are essential for creating the software and applications that shape our modern lives. In summary, coding involves writing instructions in a programming language, creating algorithms, problem solving, and being creative. It's used to automate tasks and is a key part of the development process. And with the rise of technology, it's a skill that's opening up a world of career opportunities. Whether you're looking to create the next hit video game, automate a tedious task, or simply understand the digital world a little better, learning to code is a step in the right direction. With numerous resources available, from online courses to books and coding boot camps, anyone can start their coding journey. So why not start yours today?